Hello, true believers. Just to let you know, a day in the life of bebotsonly and what we're doing math homework right now, and we're using this app online called Cerebry, and we're doing basic trigonometry, as you can see. So this is how we go through our homework over here, and how me and Hero go through each problem. So this is a sample problem, an example of a problem of our homework that we have to finish and then submit. So, like I said, this is basic trigonometry. And if you look at it, it'll say the angle of elevation from the top of a hotel from a point on ground 20 meters from the base of the hotel is 45 degrees. Find the height of the hotel. So drawing this is the hard part based on the description. So you have to think of like angle of elevation. So that's opposite of angle of depression. So that means it's going up. From the top of a hotel, so that's the top, from a point on the ground, the 20 meters from the base. So that's the hardest part when you're describing it, is 45 degrees. So I drew it over here on a piece of paper so it's easier to conceptualize. So it said the angle of elevation from a point on the ground, so here's a point on the ground, to the top of the hotel, here's the hotel, let's just say this is the building of the hotel right here, is saying 45 degrees, which we got that. And this point is 20 meters from the base of the hotel. So here's the base of the hotel, so 20 meters. So now they're saying find the height of the hotel. So using basic trigonometry, this is how we were able to, drawing this picture is probably the hardest part based on the description. The angle of elevation from the top of a hotel, from a angle of elevation here, angle of elevation, not depression, there's a big difference. Then this angle will be pointing down. But we're talking about elevation, so it's going to be going up, is 45 degrees. From a point on the ground, which is 20 meters from the base. So this is the hard part. Now find out the height of the hotel. So what we're doing, so now we have to use either SOHCAHTOA. In this situation, we have, so I tell Hero, okay, from this angle, this is the angle right here, right? What do we have? We have the, what is this?
Opposite.
Opposite. And this is the adjacent or hypotenuse?
Adjacent.
Adjacent. So when you have opposite and adjacent, which one of these do you use? So, ka, or toa?
Toa.
Toa, which is?
Tangent.
Tangent. Okay, so tangent of
45 degrees.
which we got from here, from the problem, is equal to
X.
opposite, which is
X.
over
20.
over 20, which is adjacent, which is we got from the problem. So that's how we set it up. Now we have to solve for X, which is the height of the building. Okay, to do that, to isolate X, we just multiply 20 on each side, and we get 20 times the tangent of 45 degrees, which equals to, actually, X is equal to, what's the answer that we got?
20.
20. So the height of the building is 20 meters. Now if you look, since this is 45 degrees, and this is it makes a right angle with a triangle, what does this mean? This angle is also 45 degrees also. So if this is 45 degrees, if this is 45 degrees and it's 20 meters, then if this is 45 degrees, then this is also 20 meters. So this is how we double checked our answer, so it's correct. So the building is 20 meters tall. So we go back to the original problem, and then so the height of the hotel, you put 20 in there after you figure it out, and then you check your answer. Check your answer. Ready? You ready to check the answer?
Yeah.
20 meters, and it's calculating, see, practicing a cable, and the answer is
Correct.
what do you say? Great, it's correct. Keep going. So that's how we do math here with Hero in the Philippines. Basic trigonometry, at least. So now we found the height of the building. And what's nice over here is that they give you, see, tangent equals opposite over adjacent. So we drew the triangle correctly, as you can see, and based on Answer, tangent of 45 degrees equals to 20 meters. Okay, so that's how you do basic trigonometry, how I explained to Hero how trigonometry is done. Okay, so that concludes today's vlog, just to let you know how we got silver and how we do math, the silver award, and how we do math. I go step by step with him on which function to use and how to set up the triangle. Okay, if you have any questions, comments, let us know. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. This is bebotsonly. Thanks for watching.